Here's a quick tip for those of you that are looking to quiet the cab of your 10th generation F-150, or possibly could work on many other trucks. What I found out was that the panel at the back of the cab, this extended cab or Supercab, allowed a lot of sound to enter from the road roar, especially when I had the back seat removed. So what I thought I'd do was take a few extra steps to make sure that was quieted down. The first thing I did was, along the entire back edge of this, I put kill mat. That will stop the resonance in the back of the cab, so you'll lose a lot of the vibration that comes into your cab. And then I also put this closed cell foam. Make sure it's closed cell so it doesn't hold water. I'll put links to all this at the in the comments section. But I put a layer here, and I also had put a layer in the back of the seat, and that significantly quieted the cab. Now I also put kill mat and closed cell foam throughout the floor area of this vehicle, so that's a little bit more involved, but this is quite an easy task to remove this back seat and put some more sound deadening in your vehicle for more enjoyment while driving. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the notification icon if you want to hear about more driving intelligence videos. Thanks for watching.